Have you ever wondered what happens to a message right after you press send on your phone? It feels instant, but it actually goes on a lightning fast journey. Let's look at this diagram. The best way to understand it is to think of your message like a physical letter. When you tap send on your phone, it's like handing that letter to a digital postman. Your phone broadcasts this letter through the air to the nearest cell tower you see. In the industry, we call this tower the base transceiver station. Think of the tower as your local neighborhood mailbox is the first stop for your message. From the tower, your message is routed through a central hub called the mobile switching center. This is the brains of the operation, acting just like a massive post office sorting facility. It looks at the address on your message and knows exactly where it needs to go. Finally, that central hub sends your message out into the wider internet or network to reach the person you are talking to. So the cellular system is essentially an incredibly fast global postal service for your digital data. Look at this timeline to see just how fast things have changed. It really wasn't that long ago that we started with 1G in the 80s. These were those famous brick phones that could only make voice calls. The 90s brought us 2G and the ability to send simple text messages, but the real game changer was 3G in the 2000s, which finally put the internet into our pockets. The last decade was defined by 4G, giving us the speed for app stores and video streaming on the go. Right now, we are entering the 5G era. It's not just faster phones, it's about connecting everything from self-driving cars to entire smart cities. And looking ahead to the 2030s, 6G promises futuristic ideas like holographic calls. It's an unstoppable journey toward a faster, more connected world. So, why does all this technology matter? As this mind map shows, cellular communication has become the invisible backbone of our daily routines. It goes far beyond just making a phone call. This network is what allows you to instantly share photos on social media. It's a lifeline that lets your navigation app guide you around traffic in real time. It provides you the freedom to handle secure mobile banking while waiting in line for coffee, enjoy smooth video streaming on the bus, or control your smart home devices from work. Almost every digital convenience we rely on today is powered by cellular communication system. Let's look at where cellular technology is right now. It's not just faster, it's getting smarter at the same time. First, on top left, we have coverage everywhere. We are not just relying on ground towers anymore. By integrating satellites and drones, we are creating a three-dimensional network. This is key to eliminating dead zones in remote areas like oceans or mountains. Next, over on the right is network slicing. Imagine chopping the main network into separate virtual VIP links. This allows us to guarantee a perfect, secure connection for critical tasks like hospital equipment that is completely unaffected by everyone else streaming videos nearby. Finally, on the bottom left is AI energy efficiency. These powerful networks use a lot of electricity. We are now using AI to put parts of the infrastructure into micro sleep when they are not busy, turning them into green infrastructure and significantly lowering their carbon footprint. Now showing three of the biggest limitations cellular networks face today and possible solutions. First, let's look at spectrum scarcity. The current radio waves we are using for communication sub 6 GHz are overcrowded. Moving to high frequency signals, they are easily blocked by barriers, simply makes them hard to travel far. The opportunity here is adopting full duplex technology. It's like a face-to-face conversation, allowing devices to talk and listen simultaneously on the same frequency, doubling efficiency. Second is energy sustainability. High performance requires massive power. A 5G station uses 3 times the energy of 4G. The solution to it is AI managed resources. Instead of running full blast 24/7, AI predicts exactly when demand happens, waking up infrastructure only when needed. Finally, the limitation is security and privacy. Connecting billions of IoT devices creates countless new entry points for hackers. So we may move to an AI-driven zero trust model. The network never trusts and always verifies, using AI to continuously scan every device and detect subtle attacks that try to change the meaning of data. So, how does today's advanced 5G change our daily life? It's all about freedom and speed. Remember waiting half an hour to few hours to download a movie back then? With a strong 5G connection, the person in the park now is downloading a full definition movies in just minutes, way faster and efficient. At the same time, they are playing a high quality, complex video game on their phone. Previously, games like this would lag or freeze without home Wi Fi. With 5G, we get to experience that smooth console quality experience anywhere we go. But 5G is about much more than faster phone games. Its biggest impact is actually on industries and healthcare lines. The smart factory shows in one part of this visualizing 5G impact on industry world. The robots and vehicles able to communicate seamlessly through developed cellular communication system, improving production yield and increasing efficiency. Besides that, another amazing applications of 5G is illustrated. Because 5G has minimal delay, a specialist surgeon can use robotic tools to operate on a patient in a completely different city. This considers huge positive impact on society that's saving more lives. This diagram gives us a peek under the hood of near coming 6G ability and future 7G dreams. For 6G, it is expected to have advanced millimeter wave. Think of this as opening up much wider lanes on the information highway. Besides, while integrating artificial intelligence for the network can manage itself smarter, and directional beamforming acts like a spotlight, focusing the signal exactly where your phone is much more efficient. In the future, the big insight for 7G is tapping into the immense power of quantum computing. This technology could process information so fast that it finally eliminates connection delays. From the brick phones of the 80s to the holographic dreams of the future, cellular communication has changed our world and how we live. It's an exciting journey that never really ends. As you look at this futuristic horizon, I'll leave you with a thought from Steve Jobs that captures this spirit of innovation. Let's invent tomorrow rather than worrying about what happened yesterday. That's all from us. Thank you.